today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? You are probably wondering what in the world is going on here. Why is this hair steaming? Well, if you want to find out, keep watching. This is literally how I found my wig, because I was looking for it in my bag of wigs. So I wanted to wear it and I was like, no, baby girl, you cannot wear this. I don't know what I last did in this wig, to be honest. Where I was going, what I was doing, because I found grass, I found thread, and I had loads of questions. So what I'm doing now, I'm just detangling, starting from the bottom, going up, because if I start from the top, that's just going to not work. It will not work. So to make it work, you start from the bottom. You just start from the bottom, detangling it bit by bit. Make sure you get all the parts where it's a bit matted. So I now turned it inside out to try and push all the little flyaways that are in the tracks. So I found that they were not that much, and just put a little bit back. So I'm now brushing the inside of the wig. Just make sure it's all detangled so that when I wash it, I have no issues. Don't judge my cap, guys. My new one is coming. As you can see, the wig is a bit better now, but for me, from the original, this is not what it's supposed to look like. It can get better than this. She can level up, so we're going to level up. So the first thing that I've been seeing people do wrong is that they're using boiling water. Do not use boiling water. This is a synthetic material, just like other products and clothes are made of synthetics. They melt very easily at certain temperatures. So the safest temperature is really 40 degrees, which is basically as closest to warm, but do not use boiling hot water. I'm going to put my detergent. I use my Persil powder and I put half of the little lid. Then I applied my liquid fabric softener and I applied half a cup of that, and I just mixed it and I put the wig inside. When you put the wig inside, make sure you don't scrub it in the water, and you just make sure that it's fully covered and soaked, and you let it sit for about 2 hours. As you can see, the wig looks totally different from what it looked like before. It looks more shinier and it's actually gone down. It's more thin. This is how it should be. However, when I actually got the wig, it was curled very much in. It was a bob that was curled much in. So as you can see, the curls have lost themselves, and I'm really happy that they have, because I didn't want them there really. So I'm just trimming in the fringe, trimming in the ends, all the little flyaways. I'm trimming them up. And from here, I'm going to show you how I move to the next step. Yes, you are seeing very clearly that is an iron. I initially wanted to use my steamer, but it didn't come in time. But you can use your iron using the steam setting, pressing the button. Please be careful with this. It's very hot. You don't want to burn yourself. So please use caution when you're doing that. I'm going to apply the steam, and this is literally just like how you steam clothes is how you steam the hair. Can you see the difference? Like, come on. So what I'm doing is I'm using the brush to hold it down, and when I hold it down, I press it so that it stretches it. That's what gives it that straight effect. And if, let's say, the wig was curly, I would have just put rollers and just steamed it in the rollers and then took them off just like normal hair. So you literally use warm water, put detergent, fabric softener, leave it in there for about 2 hours. Don't mix it or shampoo it. You literally just leave it, let it do itself. You don't need to push at it or anything like that. Just leave it. It will do. The science will work together basically. Hey, look at the final result. Absolutely love it. Save your money. Save your coins. Sometimes that wig, okay, some of them need to go in the bin. That's a story for another day. But some of them just need a really good treatment. But this is the final product. Absolutely love it. And it smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.